Seka and Moore are students of civil engineering, Unisula, who studied at Hans University Groningen in the Netherlands. He studied architecture and became an international student. Hey everyone, ever wondered what it's like to swap your familiar campus for a classroom halfway across the world? Well, I'm doing just that. My name are Seka and Mol, and I'm a civil engineering student from Unisula in Indonesia. For the next few months, I am trading my home university for an incredible exchange experience at Hans University of Applied Sciences in Groningen, the Netherlands. From the bustling streets of Semarang to the charming canals of Groningen, it's a huge change, but I'm so excited to dive in. I'll be exploring new ways of thinking in engineering, experiencing Dutch culture, and of course, sharing all the highs and lows with you. It's going to be a journey of learning, discovery, and lots of cycling, I'm sure. So, if you're curious about student life in Europe or what an exchange program is really like, you're in the right place. Follow along for the adventure.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My sound is clearly.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I'm very happy today to meet you all. I'm very miss you because I must have friends to always improve my skills about language. Okay, this day I want to interview or have got some question for you. Okay, my screen is clear
Yes, sir.
or have a problem? Okay. Sorry. I can repeat for my screen. Oh, think some problem in my screen. Question for Scar. The first. What are the learning conditions in Hanze is different with Unisula? What is difference learning in Hanze and Unisula?
I think Hans University is more practical than the theory. So far, I feel it's so really different with when I was in Unisula, because here in Hans University, we used to more practical, make some model, make some composition with like make a maquette, but with the little scale. And yeah, I think the difference is in Unisula, we used to learn about theory, and then the next is practice. But in the Hans University, we are more practical to make something and learn in a group like that, sir.
Okay, your focus for the learning is architectural, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Architectural
in Unisula is civil engineering. I think this is some.
Yeah.
You make some design.
Yeah, it's really different background. Yeah.
Okay. Maul, what course you like in the Hanze about the architecture?
What course do I like to take there? Architectural design is mandatory, but there are several like kind of course. Like this first 3 weeks is we learn about the architectural. What kind of architectural, Sekar? Architectural.
Like basic of architecture.
Yeah, basic of architecture. So we experimenting, we make model.
Oh yeah.
We learn about the principle of the architecture itself.
Basic, like you can cut for the apple and you make some building.
Yeah. Very, very strange for us as a civil engineer.
So we learn about
It's new for you. It's a new learning for you.
Very new.
Yeah.
Very new. I think we start from zero.
Zero to hero.
Zero to hero, of course.
Okay, for Rizka, what is the difference between lecture in Hanze and lecture in Unsula? Different.
this question for me or for Sam?
For Sekar. What the
Okay.
difference
I think that difference between lecture in Hanze and Unisula is in my class, like in our class, like it's not only one lecturer in class. We have like 2 till like 4 lecturer and mentors, and they are so capable, of course, with the background. And then the difference is how they give us like presentation or material, and then not only the material, but they also push us to learn with practice. I think that difference between lecturer in Hans and in Unisula. So.
Yeah, I think for lecture, rather than one lecture is different knowledge too, and I think for the pushing knowledge is different too. Yeah, and more knowledge you can get in the 4 lecture rather than one lecture like Unisula. Yeah. Okay, for Maul, Sam. Yeah, what is the thing you don't like about studying there? What if you're not like
What is the thing I don't like about studying here?
something?
First, the classmate, especially those who originally from Netherlands.
Yeah,
They speak Dutch every time.
yeah. This is
If I
a question.
if I don't
Yeah, a question.
if I don't start to
What all the lecture
if I
is-
don't start to if I don't start to them with English, they don't want to speak to me.
I think the more time you get fluency for the Dutch language because
Yeah.
yeah,
We
then-
feel like we colonize.
yeah. Colonist, but
Not really.
the colonist is not studying about the Dutch language. Just some word is same with
Yeah,
the
a little bit.
language. Yeah.
But I start to learn Dutch.
Yeah. Okay. You always start from zero.
Yeah, zero to hero.
Yeah. I think it's 2 years you staying in the Europe. I think you more difference, not same like this day, but yeah, good man.
I will.
Okay, for Scar, what is difference learning system there from Indonesia? I think this mean different system in Netherlands and in Indonesia for the system.
In general or like just in Hanze, Pak? In general, I think that the different learning system in general that I see so far is language. So, as a Dutch or Netherlands people, they used to speak English very well, even since they are like elementary school. because I think that about the learning system is really good here, because the people I know here, I mean like my friend, I asked them like how many language they can do, and the average people answer that they can do like 3 or like 4 language, and it's really incredible for me. A little bit culture shock, of course,
Yeah.
because as an Indonesian, especially like English or the other language, we don't learn that from from we are child, right? And here the learning system, I think that is pretty good, because they can speak English it's really well, and then they also can speak like Spanish or French. And yeah, I think the different is from the learning system is language especially.
I think if you adapt for the environment, for the situation in the class, I think you must need 4 until 5 years for adapt all the language and to get the well done for language is, I think, not the first time you can adapt the situation in Europe. I think I'm in same condition, because for the 1 week in Europe, I think many much I don't know about something, but if you have a long time for stay in Europe, I think it's common to you to this is the daily routine language in there, yeah. Okay. Next, what food do you like in there, Sam? What food do you
What
like?
food do I like
Many, I
here?
think, many food.
Stroopwafel,
Waffle.
bread.
Basic.
But I
so
mostly cook.
basic, man.
Yeah, I mostly.
You don't like about eggs and cheese in
Mac
there?
and cheese, yeah, I do like it. But to save more money, I mostly cook for myself.
You find the natural drinking in there?
Natural drinking, natural like this. Sure.
ABC. Like rhubarb. You know rhubarb? Plant rhubarb. You know
What is rhubarb?
you can find the natural drinking from the rhubarb. Very good.
Rhubarbs. Okay, okay.
Yeah. Hey, this is question for Scott. What is the
Okay.
weather condition?
Weather condition right now is pretty good. Right now it's like 15 degree Celsius.
Degree?
15, sir.
10 degree Celsius? 10 degree?
And almost become a fall or like autumn here. This is like the end of the summer.
Oh, summer. Okay.
Yeah, the end of the summer, and will be fall in the October, I think.
Yeah. I think if
So it's
in the night,
like
what the temperature in the night
right now.
right now? No.
Oh, right.
In the night.
Oh, in the night.
Yeah.
In the night it can be reached like 10 Celsius,
And then
I
show.
think. Yeah.
You
And
always-
it's really hard
yeah.
to adapt with this weather, because we used to have like a really hot weather in Semarang, of course. So we are in Indonesian. It's a little bit hard
Yeah.
to deal with this condition so far.
In 10 degrees Celsius, you can do activity in the outside area. You always need on the room area, yeah, because the weather
Oh,
is very good.
In the height temperature, like in the night, I usually just staying in my room. If I don't have a really urgent activity, I will not do in the outside because it's really cool
Because
outside there. So.
because in Europe and Indonesia is like a different condition, because in Indonesia need cooler, in Europe need heater, you know, you need heater.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, Sam, this question for you: what the amazes you about the condition of Europe? What the condition
What amazed me about the conditions of Europe? First, the public transportation is very good.
Okay, public transportation, because
Okay,
I
the
agree.
public,
I agree.
the public transportation is very good.
what
And like
what like that? What the
Train, bus,
bus? Okay. Because-
and it is so easy to access.
Okay, because in Europe have a central station. You know the central station.
Yeah, central station, of course.
You can
People is so like, but the Dutch people, I don't know.
yeah,
It's so kind sometimes, and they like driving a bicycle.
yeah.
Yeah, so Dutch people
Alright.
like to drive a bicycle.
Yeah, for
The number one largest bicycle
Yeah.
user in the universe.
I know about that, because the Dutch people always like walking and use the bicycle. But the
Bicycle.
weather is support. Yeah, if you use bicycle in Indonesia, oh, I think this is very hard. Yeah.
And it's very clean. The environment is very clean.
Yeah. Environment, the air
It's
is pretty good here.
yeah, very good for the air and for the. I always in after I pray subuh, I always use my bicycle around the hotel or around the location to have a new energy for the environment condition around my life. Okay, for the scar, this is the next question. Sorry.
Okay, my favorite lecture in
favorite
Hanze, I think it's gonna be Fasilka.
Basilka, okay.
She's a great lecturer. She's used to give us a good
Good work.
presentation to us, especially me
Mm.
as an civil engineering background and then learn about architectural. I really don't know about anything about architectural, like even the basic. And then Fasilka give us like the information and then the basic knowledge, and then I can learn from there. So it's really good. So I'll choose her as my favorite lecturer in Hanze.
Okay. For the sum, what the favorite lecture? Your favorite lecture?
My favorite lecture, all of them, my favorite lecture. Basilica, Ludo, and the other one, I forgot his name.
What the like what the expression is very fast. but uh, the conversation is very good, have a bit have a bit for the conversation. All the lecture.
Sorry.
What the lecture have a quick if explanation some material or some code very fast for the explanation.
Yeah. The expansion is very easy to take in. You know, like no matter who you, no matter where you're from, no matter what is your background, it's easy to take in.
Yeah, easy to take the material. Yeah. But if the lecture is very fast to explain it, it's no problem for you. No problem. To explanation fast, very fast to speak.
Till this time, I never I catch all of the presentation. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, you have a good listening. Okay, Sam. Sam again. Sekar for you. How does it feel to be friends with international friends?
It's a really mixed feeling, I guess. Like in the first day, like in my first week especially, it's a little bit hard to adapt with international friend. Because like 90% of the class is a Dutch people, right? And then for like international friend, like outsider, not from Netherlands, it's just only like maybe like 10 people. I don't know.
Okay.
But yeah. But like in my second week, I start to like talking, and then I start to ask about like Dutch culture, and then about some information and how does it feel. It can be good or it can be bad. It depends from the people, I think. So like I think that my first week is a little bit hard to make a friend,
because
but it's a good experience too.
Yeah, because your friend is have a character. How different people.
Yeah. Especially the character. Yeah, of course. And I consider that the Euro people have a really, really different character with the Asian people, especially in Indonesia. Like mostly they are like straightforward people. I mean, like in Indonesia, we know that basa-basi, right? But here, as a Europe people, especially Dutch, they don't do that. So they're like straightforward. Yeah. They're really, really honest about anything, like about opinion and about what they thought. They will speak the truth, like just straightforward.
Yeah, I think this is, and 3 times I interview my students. All my students said the same explanation, about the French, because that students or the French is don't like a basa-basi and always always say forward or on
to the point and straightforward.
What you mean? They mean. Okay. What the obstacle do you get when studying at Hanze University?
What obstacle do you get when studying at Hanze University? Okay, well, obstacles I get. The first, of course, the assignment.
Okay.
Yeah, the assignment, it's like it's not very difficult, but because of this assignment, it contains architectural things, so we need more time to understand the assignment.
True. I know about that. Not easy already. Okay, next question. This is some again. What strategies did you use to complete your studies in Hanze? In 6 months you will study.
Okay, what strategy did I use to complete my studies in Hanze?
I don't have strategy, Pak.
I have strategy. I have strategy. Yeah, maybe finish all assignment need to finish. Okay, and of course improve my English skills to in order to make this exchange not useless for me. Okay, so I learned much about the English, like the academic words.
English is every day, English is every day. You always improving.
Improve every day, improving academic words. Okay, C2, C1 words. It's very difficult. It's very challenging.
Finish your task, your assessment in the on time.
But another student, especially Dutch student, my friends, it's kinda most of them are work. So part-time worker.
Okay.
Yeah. So most of them, it's like kinda don't finish their assignment.
Because busy working.
Yeah. But it's not become my reason to not study.
Yeah, this is your opportunity to clear all your achievement, because you not have a part-time. You have a long time to finish your study. You can focus for your study. This is your opportunity. For the Mbak Skar, after you study in Hanze, what do you think about the studying for a master degree? You studying in Indonesia, or some purpose to finish
about a master? Before master degree, of course, I should finish my bachelor degree first. But actually, I really have goals to do my master degree abroad. Of course, I really want to get a chance to master degree in another country. And then even before I am here in Hans, it's far long ago, I also think about how I get a master degree with in abroad study. So I really interesting about master degree, of course. Especially maybe I can study in here in Netherlands or in another country that have a good engineering program too.
Okay, many scholarship like Erasmus program. Program you can get. You can search in the from now in the internet about the Erasmus program, and you can get for the master degree in the three country. You or one program for the master degree, you can finish in three country. This is happen in some study, but you must search for that. Okay, Sam, what the motivate other friends to study internationally? I think this is for your friends in Unisula. What for that for they motivated?
Motivate other friends to study internationally. Maybe Sekar, you can answer that questions first.
Oh, okay. After me, you should answer too. Maybe we should know that have a chance to study abroad, like internationally here, like for example, me in Netherlands, it's really, really good experience and it's really, really good chance to grow knowledge, to get more friend, and we can build like a friendship here again, and then we can get so many information that we haven't know it before, and then for other friends that have no chance right now, you can try in another chance. I mean, like if you are right now in the end of the semester of your bachelor, maybe you can try to prepare yourself to get the chance to study abroad in your master degrees.
Yeah.
And then because the benefit study abroad is a really, really a lot. We can get not only the knowledge, but we can know about the culture, and then about the environment, and then about how the system here. We can know a really, really big thing that we can't imagine before. So I think that motivation is come from ourselves first, right? If we have like a big dream, if we want to reach that dream, we should give like a big effort. We should not hesitate our dream and try to reach them. I think that can
Big
I
dream
say
is key.
Sam.
Yeah, big dream is key to have amazing studying internationally.
Yeah, and study abroad is not impossible. If we try our best, we can search for scholarship, and then because right now we have social media, right? We have like cell phone, and we can get so many information from that, and then it's really, really easy to get information. And then the next step is to prepare it well, learning English, improve our English, and improve like soft skill, hard skill too, and trust that we can reach our dream. So
Okay,
like that.
you have said something about motivate.
Yeah, and it's not only about experience, but you have to know about the benefit and the advantage
Yeah.
when we can study internationally. Okay, we can expand the relationship here, and then it can improve your like increase your chance about your career, okay, about your work. So yeah, and if someone there, student from Unisula, wanna study internationally, it's not as difficult as you thought, okay, but it's not too easy as you thought as well. So you can study, you have to learn, you have to study a lot about how to achieve that dreams.
Okay, thank you very much all my students for your time.
You're welcome.
I'm disturbed from your time. Okay, I
No,
feel
no,
happy
no.
meet you all.
No problem, sir.
for the talk show or the interview for this day. I think enough. Yeah, we